What's up, y'all? It's your girl Emani Nicole, and I'm back with another banger. Not really, it's just another hair video. I have a crochet needle because I know I look a little different. I tried something new, something I've never done on myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling and get right into the video. As you can see, these are individual crocheted faux locks, and I left two out just so I can show you how I achieved this look. It's gonna be a quick tutorial. I'm not about to play with y'all or procrastinate like I'm doing right now. Okay, so we're about to get into it. Hair details. The hair that I have in my head is the Urban Beauty 2x Nairobi Locs in the color 4, and the pack looks like this. It doesn't give the length at all, like anywhere on the pack, so I don't know how long these are. Yeah, I don't know how long these are, but just so you get an idea. This is the pack of hair. On one strand in the pack, it has like this gold design, like thread on it. I cut it off because I just thought, no, that's doing too much. I wanted something to just look natural and decent. I did my parts kind of big. They're smaller in the back just because I couldn't see, but as far as my parts, typical square parts, triangles in the front. Yeah. So again, the hair is called Urban Beauty. It's 2x Nairobi Locs in the color 4. I bought 5 packs. I only used 3 packs and 4 locks from the 4th pack for this style. And I have a big head and a lot of hair. My hair is super thick. I only used 3 packs. And I got the hair from my local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure you can find it online. I just don't know where. I got it from my local beauty supply store. Of course, if you don't know, you need a crocheting needle when you are crocheting. So the latch starts off open like so. And I'm just going to stick it through the braid and go under the braid. So at the base of the braid, I'm just going to stick it through like so. I'm going to take the loop in the hair, as you can see, like that. I'm going to take the loop in the hair and I'm just going to hook it on the latch. I'm going to then close the latch and pull it through. After that, you're going to put your thumb and your pointing finger through the loop. You're going to grab your braid and the lock, and you're going to pull it through. And then you're going to pull tight. And that's going to create your knot to where it secures the faux lock. This part is the most confusing part. I had like the most difficult time getting this concept. So you're going to take your braid and you're going to wrap the lock hair around it. Now, to secure the lock, or the way that the lock is twisted, it is twisted this way. To open it, to wrap it around my braid, I need to twist it the opposite way and wrap it around. So you're going to open the lock like so, twist it around. Open the lock and twist it around. You want to make sure you're not just twisting your hair, that you're actually opening the lock and wrapping it around your braid. I'ma tell you this one time, what I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. After you're done wrapping around the braid, you're going to release and slightly pull down. And there you have it. I like to palm roll the ends just to make it a little tighter. Of course, this is optional. It's not something you have to do. You have your lock. And I'm gonna do one more. Here we go. So again, crochet hook. Slide it underneath the base of the braid. Take your hair at the loop. You're gonna hook the loop onto the needle. Close it. Pull through. Once you open it, you're going to open that loop, pull the braid and the faux lock through, and then pull tight. And from there, you're going to open the lock, remember, and you're going to wrap it around your braid.
I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I don't feel it right. I tell you what it's all about. It's making me feel this way. It's kinda like, oh, you make me feel and believe it beyond. Like when we lock eyes, I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in bed tonight.
We're going to actually get these edges to where they need to be, and you already know how I'm coming with the Basking Bloom Edge Pomade. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. What's this? I'm going in.
No, I don't feel the ground. But I don't feel it right. I tell you what it's all about.
Alright, so there you have it. That is a tutorial on these cute, quick, easy. I'm not gonna say quick because it really took me forever to do them, but it was my first time, so I can only get faster and better at doing these. This is my first attempt. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure you comment down below and let your girl know. It means a lot. If you like how they came out, again, let me show y'all the hair that I used. Urban Beauty 2x Nairobi Locs in the color 4. I only used 3 packs of hair. I bought 5, so if you have a big head and a lot of hair like me, you already know. Only get 3 packs. And these packs were $6.99 a pack. So for 5 packs of hair, I paid like $37 and only ended up needing 3. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell button. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram and see what I'm up to. And I will catch y'all later.
Oh, you make me feel